Why do you sometimes get hiccups? Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle responsible for breathing. When the diaphragm spasms, it causes a sudden intake of breath, which is then quickly stopped by the closure of the vocal cords, producing the distinctive hic sound. The exact cause of hiccups is unclear, but they can be triggered by eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or sudden changes in temperature. In some cases, stress, excitement, or even laughing too hard can also provoke hiccups. Most hiccups resolve on their own, but holding your breath or sipping cold water might help stop them faster.